Now we can talk about advertising your rental. At first blush, it may seem an overwhelming task, but it is not. I'll walk you through the process right now. First, take some nice pictures of the property. Generally, there is no need to hire a professional photographer unless you are renting an upper tier property. As long as you get some very nice pictures of the front yard, the backyard, the living room, the kitchen, and the master bedroom, you should be just fine. Ensure that the pictures are in landscape orientation. Your smartphone is perfect for this job. With that done, the rest is easy. The number one website for listing rentals is Zillow. That site gets the most traffic. In fact, I can almost guarantee that the tenant that you find will have come through Zillow in some way. Another reason you may want to use Zillow is that the website is user-friendly. Essentially, all you'll be doing is uploading pictures of your property to Zillow and adding a brief narrative, such as 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, located close to schools and shopping. That is all that is required. Another significant benefit of using Zillow is that once entered, ads are automatically syndicated to other websites, such as Trulia and HotPads. There are other websites where you can advertise. In fact, many owners will advertise on more than one website. However, there is a better way. Listing your rental with a rental syndicator is very effective. Once listed with a syndicator, your ad will be automatically placed on dozens of other popular websites. It works great for me. Some of them are for free, others charge a minimum fee. I have included a list of various real estate syndicators whom you can contact. As a quick demonstration, I'd like to walk you through one of the most popular sites called TurboTenant.com. Here is the website, TurboTenant.com. When you visit the site, you need to create your account, which I've already done. I've entered my name, email, and other information, and this is what it takes you to. I won't go through all of this with you right now, but you would click here, run through a series of easy-to-answer questions, post the pictures, and you're done. Once you have done that, TurboTenant will then advertise your listing on many more websites. I'll put a list of them right here. Okay, that's all there is to advertising your rental property. It's a simple process. The first time through may take you a few extra minutes, but that's all. Let's proceed to the next lecture.